Yes, sir.
Sir, how can you see the reverse document list, sir?
How can you see reverse document list? Yes, if you have a document list.
List, sir.
What is the reverse document type? AB.
AB.
Correct? Yeah, you can give the number series whatever you want to give and then give the fiscal year, execute, it will show. Correct? Yeah?
So this is, and whatever documents posted using sample documents, it is also showing AB on
Which one?
document type. Which is using documents posted using sample documents.
Yeah, that is also showing AB here, na? Correct. So that's why we have got so many documents here, na? That's why we have got so many documents here. Correct. So now let me check what is the difference here. Yeah, so because we are using the same document type for reference also, we got this, we can change the document type for here, right, when we are posting. What is that we are talking here? F-01. Yeah, so in F-01, if you can change the type here, then it will not be using AB anymore. Okay? So that is what is creating the confusion. Okay, no problem.
Sir, AB is not a standard document. At this, for our convenience, we can choose anything.
Yes, you can choose anything. Here, when you are creating the sample, you can choose.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, where we need to give reason, sir?
Reason is here, no? Yes. Specifications for reverse reasoning. Why?
Yes, okay.
And do you want to reverse? If you are not giving any date, it will reverse on the same date. Background noise. So much background noise. So I want your help, guys. If anybody is making the noise, please highlight, na? Please, I want to know the name.
This Gauri is making. Yesterday also he is making the noise.
Who?
Gauri.
Permanent.
Please Jagannath Gauri.
Okay. Okay, I think he has gone on mute now. Okay. Yeah, please let me know like that. Yeah, I need your help because when I am showing the screen, I cannot see the list, right? I don't want to, half the screen. I don't want to see half the screen. Yeah. So by the time I come back here, they are going on mute. Okay, now. So now that is the reverse document you have seen, right? Yeah, reverse document. So now mass reversal, yeah, put the heading mass reversal. Mass reversal means more than one document you can reverse, right? See what happens is when we are posting the entry, sometimes we do by mistake. Now sometimes suppose a date is there, okay? Now date is there. Suppose I was thinking today's date is 4th. So I continued posting on the 4th. So after posting about 50 transactions, I have come to know that the date is incorrect. Yeah. So already 50 documents I posted in yesterday's date. Now I cannot go to FB08. Now can I change the date? No. Can I change the date? No, right?
No, sir.
So you cannot change the date. So then what is that we can do? Right? We can reverse. No, I cannot go to FB08 and reverse 50 times. No? Yeah. 50 times I cannot go to FB08. No? So that's why many documents I can reverse. There is a T code that is F.80. Yeah. So /n F.80. So go like this F.80. F.80. Then give the company code. That is this. Then from number to number I want to give. Okay. Suppose 1000. I want to reverse from 4 to 1008. So how many documents I am reversing now?
4.
No, 5
documents, sir.
5 documents. Correct. So give the date. So now here mass reversal of the document, right? So at a time I can reverse all the 5. You see, execute. So now you will get a message like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5 documents it has picked up. Correct. So now these 5 documents, reverse documents, no? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Now it will tell us, right, which documents can be reversed. You see, this is the line. Which documents can be reversed, which documents cannot be reversed.
Okay.
So now list cannot be reversed, nothing is there, correct?
Yes.
So what is the message it is saying? All documents can be reversed. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now suppose if I give here, suppose if I am giving here 1002, 1009, what do you think will happen?
One document one is already reversed.
Correct. Now, so what it will say now? What it will say now? These documents, the documents that can be reversed are these 5. What about 1009?
It is already reversed.
sir.
Yes, it is error. Documents which cannot be reversed
It is already reversed.
because this document was already reversed. You will get the message. Is it clear?
Sir,
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. No.
sir,
We can only reverse the document only once, sir.
Yeah, it is already reversed now. How many times can we kill a person? Only once, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct now?
Sir,
Yeah, it is already reversed. Then why you want to reverse it again? It is already reversed. No, it's over, dead. Correct. Yeah.
Yes.
Document number in not in order. What to do?
once it reversed, we
If
can't
it
create a
is
fresh
not in
entry.
order, then you have to break up and do it. Yeah, there is no other choice.
Sir,
From
excuse me.
and to you have to. Yes.
My electricity gone, so I missed this moment. Can you repeat again how to reverse?
Yeah, I will show you. Yes. Okay, so the question would be, right point. The question would be in the interview, can I reverse a reverse document?
No.
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 There is a chance of reset.
Reset is different. Reset is
Okay.
different.
Okay.
Correct. So now, what is my reverse document number?
9.
No.
Nine.
It is already reversed. It is already reversed. I'm not talking about this. So 100% 1009. See, 1009 is already reversed. Anyhow, you cannot reverse it because it is already reversed, right? I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about this. Now this entry is there now. I want to reverse this entry. Can I do this or not?
No.
No, sir.
So by mistake I have reversed, I want to correct it, right? I should not have reversed this, but I reversed this. Now I am saying no, I don't want to reverse. Go back. Can I do that?
Trace and reverse.
Reversal of reverse job.
We can do, sir. We can do.
Let us.
Oh, sir, fresh entry we can do.
Fresh entry we can post na? Correct.
sir. We can do again.
Yeah, suppose if I am giving FP03 and 10032 I am giving, yeah, and then save, you see what it says. Yeah, correct? Yeah, it will not allow, correct na? Yeah. So again I am showing you, so right, so F.80, mass reversal, correct? Now, so give the company code. Give the document number like this, 2 document number like this, yeah, and then fiscal year.
8, 9 cannot be
Yeah, no problem. It will only reverse what it has to reverse, correct? Yeah. You see now, it will clearly say this can be reversed, this cannot be reversed, yeah. Okay, now reverse document. So only this which can be reversed, it will reverse, correct? Reverse document. So now you see, completed, right? So how many new documents were posted? 5. What were the numbers? 34, 35, 36, 37. Got it?
Yes.
So 5 new documents were posted to reverse the previous document. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so this is about the reversal concept.
Sir, is this the screen that already reversed?
No, just now I have reversed. Many documents I have reversed.
Actually, power gone, so I
Sir,
couldn't.
just show F.08 on second, sir.
F.80, not 08 it is. So there are three things.
Okay.
See, there are three things I am talking now. One is FB08. One is FB08. This I am talking later, yeah? Yeah, these two things I am talking now. FB08, F.80. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, only the transactions got reversed, sir.
Yeah, transactions only we are reversing, na? What else we can reverse, correct?
So after, sir, I have a doubt, sir. After reversing the transactions, if you realize that we need to even reverse the date, if we give any wrong date, is that possible, sir? Again, we have to do the new entry.
So in the reversal also, it is already reversed, na? When it is reversed means entirety it is reversed, na? Date also is reversed, correct? It has become zero.
So the amount, sir, the amount. If we,
Also reverse.
No, let me
That's
check.
just going to post new it.
so in that case, we need to post new entry, sir.
Correct, na?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir, one doubt. If SB03, can't we change the date?
You try it. Can we change the date?
No, sir.
Only question what you have to ask is it going to affect our accounts or not? If I change the date, will it affect my account? Yes. Definitely it will affect. No? Something that should come last period, it may come in this period now. Big effect. Correct now. So you see now FD03, I want to change something. Okay. 10003. Now this is there. Now here I want to change the date. 24/9 is there now. I want to change the date. Yeah? Change. I am already in change. So now here I am trying to change. Can I change?
No.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So only unimportant things, not important things, right? Something that we don't bother at all, right? Like date, not date, assignment. Value date is also not important, okay? This is only for the banking transactions. We will talk about it. Assignment is just for sorting. Text is the narration. And now in header you have the reference number, header, all this you can change. So those unimportant things you can change.
What is the, sir, how you got this screen, sir? What did you...
Header, cap button.
Okay.
What is that assignment number?
Assignment number is nothing but your sort key, right? You are selecting a sort key na date wise.
001.
001 na date wise. Sort key you are giving na for this account.
Below line item display.
Yeah, so it is date wise. You see date in the reverse format. Okay? So this will use to sort, to show the line items basically.
Okay.
The order in which it has to show the line item.
Sir, just show F.80 once again, sir.
I will show both because somebody has missed the session also, na? So I will show once again. So FB08 I will show and then F.80 also I will show, right? Okay, 1 minute, quickly we will go. So now I will go to /FB08.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please tell everybody to keep mute themselves when they are not talking, sir. We are getting lots of background noise. They are unmuting and talking and they are forgetting to keep mute, sir.
Yeah. So you should, yes. Good point. See, everybody should develop the habit of mute, unmute, talk and mute. Correct. Yeah, so don't leave it, forever mute, na? Yeah. I cannot come back and, mute you every time, right? Yeah, so your finger should be always on the button. Correct. Whenever you want to talk, unmute, talk, mute.
There's an option, sir. Actually, when you hold the space button, it automatically unmute you. And when
Exactly.
you press, it automatically mute you.
Yes, please use that option, guys, everybody. Yeah. Yes, somebody is trying, yeah? Yeah, please check like that. Unmute, you can, space button is enough. Okay.
If we use that option, everybody will be hear sir voice clearly. So
Yes.
please everybody follow that. Thank you.
We'll see what difference it will make. Yeah. Okay. Right. Good. Thank you. Right.
When we create a fresh entry also, we couldn't change the dates, sir, posting date?
Fresh entry is your full freedom, na? You can give whatever you want. Fresh entry.
Okay. Yeah.
See, when you are reversing, you don't reverse. See, even though my problem is with the amount, but I cannot reverse only amount. Not possible. Entire document will be reversed. You understood? So if there is a problem with the date, I cannot reverse only date, na? No, entire document is reversed, cancelled. Then you post a fresh entry with the correct date. Understood?
Yes.
So here when we are reversing, we are not only reversing only that part. Entire document is getting reversed because of a small minor problem. Again you have to give all the details, all the 99% it is correct, only that 1% you wanted change. For that you have to give everything. Is it clear? Yeah?
Yes. Once it went to end user, we can't change, no, sir?
Once it went to
End user.
what document?
Transactions, once we post it, the end user is using that, so that time we are identify these changes, so we want to change these, some changes we want to make it, so that time.
See, all this is done by user only, the transactions are posted by the user only. Okay, we don't post the transactions, user only will post the transactions. All this reversal, everything will be done by him. But sometimes when we have issues, he will take our help. Right, so that's why we should have more knowledge than him.
Okay.
So he will say, I want to use template, I got stuck, please help. I want recurring problem concept is there, one document I am not able to post, please help. Like that he will ask. That's why we should. Right? All these are done by the user only, but we are there to support. Correct?
Yes. Okay.
Sir, I have a question. Is this reverse entry is applicable on part the document and the samples also? Because we just store the samples. We don't post them. So is this applicable
This is for the documents posted. Okay. Documents, transactions that are posted. Yeah, posted is
We
different.
can delete Park documents, right?
Park document is also not posted, na?
Can be deleted. She wants to remove from system.
Yes, you
right?
can delete the Park document. There are some, key changes to be done at the back end, then it will also. Yeah, for your authorization should be given. Is it clear? Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, after completing the concept, can you explain the real-time errors that we get, the end users will get?
Yeah. For every, we will stop at a certain point, then we will discuss the issues. Okay? So for certain level, we have to reach to certain level, then we can cover.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, right. So now I am giving one document number 10003, something like that, and enter. So now click on the save. Yeah, what is 1003 document? Let us have a look once. /n FD03.
Starting entry is also share capital.
Wages to bank. Wages to bank, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us reverse this now. Save. So when I say reverse, what will happen? 10038 document is posted. So what is there in 38 document? Bank to
Yes.
wages. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 40/50. Look at always 40/50. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
What is this FD03, sir?
FD03. What is this? FD03. Yeah,
Display the
what is
Display the document.
Sir, can we reverse the document 1 and 2, that is for share capital? It will be negative balance, sir.
You can reverse everything, but technically some things are possible, logically some things are not possible, right?
Not
you have
possible.
the system may allow you, but as an accountant, is it correct or not? Correct. Yeah.
Not correct.
So now let me go to, okay, so mass reversal I will show you quickly. /n f.80, you go like this, company code, document number, already we have done many reversals now. Up till what we have done, 10 now, okay, let me give 10, 2, 100, probably 13. Okay, then give the fiscal year like this. So from number to number I will give reverse. Okay, sir? All the 4 you can reverse at a time. Reverse document. So reverse 39, 40, 41, 40. You see? Like that you can reverse many documents. Is that clear, everybody?
Sir, if I don't want to change all documents in reversal?
Whatever documents you want to reverse, only those you do. Okay? Yeah.
What about the past
Right then.
document?
And
This year-
01 reversal, reason for reversal is applicable for current month, sir?
Yeah, whatever. There are multiple reasons, na? One of the reasons you can select. Okay? Yeah, next we have this is important, reversal and reset. We will discuss this tomorrow. Reversal and reset is important. We will discuss this tomorrow. Okay, guys? Yeah?
Yes.
Right, then we will meet tomorrow then. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you.